Nolan's in his new bouncer, his jumper.
Very vocal. And Dad's in the old bouncer. Haha, I'm having more fun than you.
He's really talking a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, little buddy. Turn towards Mama.
He says, that's no fun. I like the flower, the sun. His little feet under there, they don't touch very well. We need to find something with more structure to put under there. Nolan, move around and play with your music. Hit your music. Hit the music. Right there. His new jumper. He's so happy to have one. So many toys. Then we added his toys. They can hang on there. On that side too. Very cool. Okay, you were more talkative over here. Someone's got to turn your feet. What is this, Nolan? Right here. You like this sun. Right here.
Did Dad ruin the fun?
No.
Let's see. Don't tell him. This is supposed to be his birthday present. Or something. Yeah. Now we need to raise you up. He says, geez, Dad, what's going on? Can he touch?
I don't know, is the box too slippery?
No, maybe. Jeez, maybe it's way too high though. Don't overdo it, Mr. Man. Is he still touching?
Whoa. Don't get whiplash.